If that makes contact to the 8 ball,
Titigil yan
tendency
dyan.
for scratch.
Oh. Cross
Crossbank. That did not work. But the combination was not available.
The scratch is in play with this shot. The scratch is in play! Sinasabi ko!
But minus the scratch, definitely. Because remember, that's foul number 1 for Negros. Si Jericho nagporma.
Oh, yan na.
Yan.
Ilang rails ito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rails.
Or 2 rails to.
One, two.
Behind the 9 ball.
Wala
Nope,
talaga.
it's a miss.
So dinaan niya sa kabila, mas may chance pa tamaan yan. Foul 2.
Foul 2. Aiming to foul out
Oo.
Negros Occidental for their 3rd victory of this evening. Super soft shot.
Grabe, mas mahirap
My
to.
goodness.
Mas mahirap to sa pinagdaan ng kanina ni Kamomot.
They're gonna try that distance again, that path again.
Wala
That's a
na,
miss.
foul 3.
That's foul 3.